Hi, it's Richie from Sleephaven. Quick Tuesday tip for you. If you've got dogs or cats and they're sitting on your upholstery or anything, you want to get rid of the dog hair, little gadget we've got on our website for removing hair prior to vacuuming. So all you've got to do, it's got a little handle, wooden handle here, and it's got like little brass fittings on here, and it just picks up the dog hair. Really handy. Just look at this. So all you do, just get it at the right angle, especially when you've got a nice couch like this, with a nice sort of velvet lush top. And there you go. You just collect that quickly like that, and it just picks up the hair. Alright, so you can find that on our website. You can use it on clothes as well, certain rugs, etc. And it just, what I'll do now is just vacuum that up and suck that away. So that's your Tuesday tip. Have a look at our website and get yourself a nice little gadget like this. Speak soon.